Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, today we are going to start our unit number 8, Peace, and Peace is a poem that is written by Dr. Sylvia Hartman. Students, in this poem the poetess describes the main theme of the poem, that is wind. She says that wind is fierce while enraged but gentle at its core. She also describes all the destruction and chaos brought about the apparent face of the wind. But she says that after the wind stops blowing, there comes the peace, that is the outcome of destruction, and the atmosphere becomes very pleasant. So she says that we have to experience storms to enjoy peace. So students, let's start the reading of the poem. Open the page number 92. The wind is now, wind the moving air. हवा अब है, a roaring, smashing, roaring, thundering, धारती हुई, smashing, smashing, shattering, तबाह कुन. Monster of destruction, monster, a giant of destruction, destruction, devastation, wipe out, तबाही. Wrecking all man's work, wrecking तबाह करने वाली, destroying all man's work इंसान के काम को. From the valleys, valleys वादियों से, from the vales, vales a lower part of land between two hills. And sends और भेजती है them उन्हें, spinning, spinning घुमाते हुए, rapidly turning, broken flying, broken टूटा हुआ या टूटे हुए, discontinuous flying उड़ते हुए, उड़ाते हुए, to move rapidly. But all of that is not its core. All of that ये तमाम is not नहीं है its core. core असल, basic. Its center middle part is in truth. सच्चाई में है या इसका मरकज़ सच्चाई में है. इटर्नल स्टिलनेस, इटर्नल दायमी, एवरलास्टिंग स्टिलनेस खामोशी, सकूत, साइलेंस. ब्राइट ब्लू स्काइज चमकदार नीले आसमां. एंड ऑल यू हियर और तमाम जो आप सुनते हो, आर जेंटल विस्पर्स, जेंटल मीठी, क्वाइट काम, विस्पर्स सरगोशियाँ, विस्पर्स सरगोशियाँ, सिबिलेट्स फॉर अवे दूर, एंड अनइम्पॉर्टेंट और गैर अहम. So students, after reading the poem, we have come to know about the wind and also the message that the poetess wants to convey us. As I told you earlier that the main theme of the poem is wind, and the poetess describes all the destructions and chaos that is brought about by the apparent face of the wind. But also in the other stanza and in the last, the poetess also describes that after the wind stops blowing, there comes a peace, and the bright blue sky is there. When the cool, gentle breeze rustles with the leaves of the trees, it creates soothing and musical sound. The breeze seems whispering. This is exactly what we call the real face of the wind. The poetess concludes her point of view by saying that the entire chaos and destruction becomes meaningless and unimportant when we come across the real, beautiful and enchanting face of the wind, that is nothing other than peace. So students, let's start the summary of the poem. As we all know that the piece is written by the poetess Dr. Hartman. Peace is a metaphor poem. In this poem, the poetess Dr. Hartman describes reality in disguise of metaphor. शायरा इस नज़्म में हमें इस्तारे के भेस में हमारे सामने हवा की, पीस की पोएम के मुताबिक जो हैं वो हकीकत बयान करती हैं. द मेन थीम ऑफ द पोएम इज़ विंड. that is fires while in rage but gentle at its core. We have to experience storms to enjoy peace. In this poem, the poetess describes the destruction and chaos brought about by the apparent face of the wind. It roars and smashes everything. ये धारती है और हर चीज़ को तबाह कर देती है. शायरा इस नज़्म में उस तमाम तबाही को बयान करती हैं जो हवा के ज़ाहिरी चेहरे या ज़ाहिरी रुख के ज़रिए, ज़ाहिरी फेस के ज़रिए लाई गई है. It is so intense that it takes the form of a monster, कि ये एक जायंट की शक्ल में आ जाती है. She further explains that it levels everything and the things get cracked. हवा जब बहुत तेज़ चलती है तो हर चीज़ को एक जैसा कर देती है, चीज़ें टूट फूट जाती हैं. It ruins and blows, ये तबाह कर देती है और चलती है, blows उड़ा ले जाती है everything, हर चीज़ को. In this way it takes all the work done by man, और ये इंसान के किए हुए तमाम काम को दरहम बरहम कर देती है, तबाह बर्बाद कर देती है. Moreover, the poetess says that the destruction brought about by the wind is its apparent face. इसका ज़ाहिरी रुख है, ज़ाहिरी फेस है. Its internal face is stillness. इसका everlasting face, हमेशा रहने वाला जो रुख है वो या चेहरा है वो stillness है, खामोशी है. After the wind stops blowing, there comes the peace, which is the outcome of destruction. Students, as we discussed it before, that according to poetess, after the wind stops blowing there comes the peace, and this is the real face of the wind. The atmosphere becomes very pleasant, बहुत खुशगवार हो जाती है फ़िज़ा, and the bright blue sky is worth seeing, और चमकदार नीला आसमान देखने वाला होता है. So students, this is the half of your summary and you have to learn it by heart. Allah Hafiz.